Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So today we are going to solve the exercise 2.4 of the maths classes chapter 2. Again, a gentle reminder, we are referring to the 2024 edition book. If you are using an older book, you might probably have a different exercise number for this, or probably you may not have that too. So let's move ahead with the step-by-step solution, detailed explanation. But before that, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you get all the updates. So let's move ahead and start solving the questions one by one. The first question is, Amina thinks of a number and subtracts half from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So let the number be x. So we have given out that Amina thinks of a number and subtracts half. So subtracting half from x, which is the number which we thought, we get what? X minus half. Then multiply the result by 8. We are going to get this x minus half into 8. Why we are multiplying? She multiplies the result by 8. The result obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. So the result is 3 times the number, that is 3x, because the number what she thought was x. So the result is 3x, and this, given that this multiplication of this number and the result what she thought of is equals to 3x, so x minus half into 8 is equals to 3x. Solving it further, you have 2x minus 1 upon 2 into 8 is 3x. 2x minus 1 into 4. 2 4s are 8 over here. Is equals to 3x. Then 8x minus 4 is equals to 3x. So you bring the like terms together. 8x minus 3x is equals to 4. So you have 5x is 4. X is 4 upon 5. So the number what Amina thought of was 4 upon 5. Let's check this second example. Question basically, a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? So although it may look a bit complicated, it's very easy. So let the small number be x. So then the bigger number is 5x. Why? Given that a positive number is 5 times another number. So we call these smaller numbers x, and the other time, since it is 5 times, we are going to call it 5x. So given that adding 21 to both the numbers, we get that one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. So smaller number is x plus 21. Bigger number is 5x plus 21. That is adding 21 on both sides. What do we get? Bigger number 5x plus 21 is twice the smaller number. Now let's go and solve this further. So 5x plus 21 is 2x plus 42. So you have 5x minus 2x is 42 minus 21. You get what? 3x is 21 and x is equals to 7. If x is equals to 7, then 5x is what? 5 into 7, which is 35. So the smaller number is 7 and the bigger number is 35. Third question, sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? So let the 2-digit number be 10a plus b, where a and b are 2 digits. Why we are using a 10a plus b? Because 2 digits would be like 10, 11, 12, 13. That is why you are using a 10a plus b over here. So supposing the number is 1 over here or 10 over here, the other one would be 11. So we are taking it 10a plus b, where a and b are the 2 digits. Now given what? That the sum of the 2 digits of the number is 9. So a plus b is 9. That is the first statement. Interchanging the 2 digits, we get what? So what's the number which is there? 10a plus b. So when you interchange these 2 digits, what you're going to get? 10b plus a. When we interchange the digits, it's found that resulting number is greater than the original number by 27. So original number is this, So what we get is, when we interchange this number, the original number is greater than 27. That means you add 27 to this original number over here. And what is the two-digit number? So you go on solving it. So you get what? 10b plus 8 is 10a plus b plus 27. So you have what? 10b minus b is equals minus 10a plus a is equals to 27. Why? 10a and b have moved on to the left hand side. So you have what? 9b minus 9a is 27. So if you divide by 9 on both sides, you get what? B minus a is equals to 3. This is your second equation. Now what you are going to do, using equation 1 and 2, we get what? B minus a. What is a over here? A plus b is 9. So a is what? 9 minus b. So b minus 9 by minus b is 3. So 2b is equals to 3 plus 9. How we get 2b is 3 plus 9? This will be negative 9, which will move over here as positive, and negative into negative will become positive. So b plus b is 2b. So 2b is 3 plus 9. So 2b is equals to 12. So b is equals to 6. Hence, using equation 1, a plus b is 9. So a is equals to 3. So the two-digit number is what? What is the original number? 10a plus b. That is 10 into 3, which is a, plus 6 is equals to 36. So question number 4. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of these two-digit numbers and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? So we say let the two digits of the number be a and b. Hence the number will be 10a plus b. Similarly, what we did for the previous example. Now what are the given pieces of information? Given that one of the number is 3 times the other here. So if one of the number is a, the other is 3 times b. Then interchanging the two digits, the new number is 10b plus 8. So if you interchange this, you're going to get 10b plus 8. And what is the further information? Given adding the two number gives 88. So if you interchange the two digits of this two-digit number, adding the resulting number, which is this, to the original number, you will get 88. So you have this. If you add this to the original number, you get 88 is what is stated. So solving it further, you have what? 10a plus b is plus 10a. Sorry, 10b plus a is 88. So you have 11a plus 11b is 88. Dividing by 11 on both sides, you get what? A plus b is 8. That is your equation 2. And using equation 1 and 2, what you get? A is nothing but 3b. So 3b plus b is 8. Hence b, 4b is 8. B is equals to 2. If b is equals to 2, then a is equals to 3 into 2, which is 6. Hence the original number is what? 10a plus b, which is 10 into 6 plus 2 is equals to 62. Moving on to the next question. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? So let Shobo's present age be x. Then Shobo's mother's present age will be 6x. Why? Because it's given over here that Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's age. Given that Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So Shobo's age 5 years from now will be what? 1/3 of the present age. So how do you express it? You can express it by Shobo's current age is x. So 5 years from now, which is x plus 5, it will be 1/3 of his mother's age. Okay, which is 6x. Why we have not added 5 over here? Because it is given that Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So if it was mother's age also 5 years later, we would have added 5. Since it is present age, we have not added 5 over here. what are their present ages. So you solve it over here. X plus 5 is how much? 3 2 is 6, so you have 2x. X goes over here as negative x, so x is equals to 5, and if x is equals to 5, 6x is 30. So Shobho's present age is 5 years and his mother's present age is 30 years. Number 6, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio of 11:4. At the rate of 100 rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? So what are the given pieces of information? Given that the ratio of length and breadth is 11/4. So we can say that length is 11x and breadth is 4x. Okay. Then the cost of fencing is rupees 100 per meter, totaling to 75,000. So fencing is basically what, for if you are doing a fencing for a rectangular plot, what are you doing basically in terms of mathematics? You are going around the perimeter. So what is given? Perimeter is given as 75,000 and cost is how much? 100 per meter. So if you divide this, you're going to get the actual perimeter of this rectangular plot. So we have divided the total amount by the rate per meter, so we got the actual perimeter. Now we know that the perimeter is what? Twice length plus twice breadth. So 750, which is the perimeter of the plot, is equals to 2 into what is the length? 11x, and what is the breadth? 4x. Solving it further, 750 is 22x plus 8x, 750 is 30x, x is equals to 25. So length is what? 11 into 11x, so 11 into 25 is 275. Breadth is 4x, so 4 into 25 is 100. So the length is 275 meter and the breadth is 100 meters. So question number 7. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth material for school uniforms. Shirt material that costs him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that costs him rupees 90 per meter. For every 2 meters of the trouser material, he buys 3 meters of the shirt material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is 36,660. How much trouser material did he buy? So let the meters of trouser material be 2x and the meters of shirt material be 3x. So why we have taken 2x and 3x? Because it's given for every 2 meters of trouser material, he buys 3 meters of shirt material. That means he's buying in the ratio of 2x, 2 is to 3. That is why we have taken as 2x and 3x. Now, cost of the trouser material is 2x into 50. You can see it's 50 rupees per meter. So, which is 180x. And cost of the shirt material was 3x into 50. 90 over here. It should be 90. There is a typo over here, which is the cost of the one minute here. Trouser material cost him 90. So this is a typo. This should be 90 over here. 2 nines are 80. And shirt material is 50. So 350 into 150x. So selling price of the trouser material is at 12% profit. And so how are you going to put it? What is this cost of the this thing? Trouser material 180x. So 180x into 12% profit. How you are going to put it as 1 plus 12 upon 100. So this is what 1 plus 12 upon 100 is 0.12. So 180x into 1.12, which is 201.6x. Now selling price of the shirt material at 10% profit. So how are you going to put it? 150x into 1 plus 10 upon 100. Why? Because it's 10%. So which is be 1.1. So it is 165x. Total sale is what? 3660. So 201.6, which is this, plus 165x is 3660. So x is what? 3660 divided by 366.6, which is 100. So we have got x is 100. So the meters of trouser material Hassan bought is what? 2x, which is 2 into 100, which is 200 meters. Next question. Half of a herd of deer are grazing the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Let the total number of deer be X. So given half of the deer is grazing in the field, so it is what? X multiplied by 1 by 2, which is nothing but X by 2. Now given that what? Second information, 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. That means what? 3/4 of the other half. One half is what? X by 2. So 3/4 into X by 2 are playing in the field. So 3/4 into X by 2 would be what? 3x upon 8. And rest are drinking water. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond over here. So how we are going to get the rest 9 over here? This half, which is over here, minus 3/4 is equals to the rest of the 9 deers. Simplifying further, what you get? 4x minus 3x upon 8 is equals to 9. So you get what? X is nothing but 4x minus 3x is x. 9 it's a 72. So the total number of deer in the herd is how much? 72. Ninth, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. So let the granddaughter's age be x. So given what? Grandfather's age is 10x. He is 10 times older than his granddaughter. Second piece of information is what? He is also 54 years older than her. That means that x minus x, 10x minus x is 54. That means his age minus his granddaughter's current age is 54. So solving it further, you have what? 9x is 54. So x is 6 and 10x is what? 6 into 10, which is 60. So the granddaughter's age is 6 and the grandfather's age is 60. The last question from this particular exercise 2.4. A man's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. So let the son's present age be x. So a man's age will be 3x because he is 3 times his son's age. Given that 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. So how you going to express it? What is Aman's age? 3x. 10 years ago means we'll have to reduce by 10. 3x minus 10 is equals to, he will be what? 5 times his son's age. So 5 into x minus 10. So 3x minus 10 is what? 5x minus 50. So you have 5x minus 3x is negative 50 will come as plus 50 over here. So you have what? 2x is 40, x is 20 and 3x into 3, that means 3 into 20 is 60. So the son's present age is 20 years and Aman's present age is 60 years. So I hope that you like this particular video. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section. As usual, do practice it yourself after watching these solutions over here. It's going to only benefit you if you do it yourself instead of just trying to see the explanations. So do like this video, and before winding off, a humble request: if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would request you to kindly do so now. Until the next video, take care and be safe.